Shiga Marjoba. I'm Senorita Joseph. I'm 20 years old and I'm a student of Tbilisi Open University, Georgia. I'm from India and I've been in Georgia for about 2 years now. And this country is simply amazing. The people, the food, the places, everything about it is so wonderful. And the people here are very friendly, which makes it a very better environment for us to study and live here in Georgia. I can freely move around at whatever time I need to get anything from the grocery or to go anywhere else. I can just freely move around and there is no restriction at all. Maybe in some other countries I might not be able to face this kind of peace and safety. But over here in Georgia, it's very easy for me to travel around, and especially because I'm a woman. As we all know, it is a very difficult time that we are facing right now. We are in the midst of a pandemic, and especially for us students, it has been very hard because when it was online classes, we couldn't come back to the country due to the border restrictions and things. But then a month before, the Georgian government has lifted up the restrictions what all were there at the border, and so we were able to fly in back safe and sound. As students, we will be exposed to a lot of people, a lot of meetings, but according to me, what I love the most is that in all the colleges over here in Georgia, it is having a very structured format, as in we are not coming in close contact with any of our fellow mates. We are maintaining a specific distance. For me as a student, I feel safe in Georgia because of the strong restrictions that the government has imposed. And so far, everything has been good for me. And I am sure that even my fellow mates feel the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Om Prasad Cherekar, 19 years old, from India. I am studying from past 2 years in this Tbilisi Open University. As we all know, now the pandemic situation is going on. So during this pandemic situation, our university has provided us with online lectures. The online lectures were so far good, but not that interesting as we have offline lectures. Basically, I have not faced any challenge, any critical challenge over here. There might be some students who can face some challenges who are new to the country. As I am not new to the country, I have flew in many other countries as well. So that's why I can adapt this. I have adapted the environment.